Warning: some of the following can be extremely dangerous and should not be attempted. This week on Maximize Minimal Living, we go back to our roots and we revisit the first video on the channel and head back to Reddin Falls. Lots of hiking, a few river crossings, a little fooling around, and it's capped off with a little adrenaline and a brisk swim. So today we're doing something a little bit more exciting. So actually the first video we ever posted on the channel was kind of a day in the life of vlog where Sam, Curtis, and I, back there, just hiding, went to Reddin Falls in New Brunswick here by Kirstenville. And what we're actually going to do today, being it close to the 1 year anniversary of the channel, is actually go back and make a whole video about how to actually find these falls, because they're one of my favorites and some of the directions have changed more recently, and so now we're going to try and find the new trail that actually leads off to them, as the old trail, there's a car, the old trail now has cows on it and makes it a little bit more challenging. We've come down and we've been told to ignore these private property signs, so we're just gonna find this trail, take this trail, see what we can find. We've now made it into the woods, and for those who are unaware, this trail is about 45 minutes and there's about 10 separate river crossings all the way along between where we start and where we finish. We have yet to come across something that really resembles a trail. We're actually just going to be following along the stream, heading uphill, upstream. Technically, eventually, as long as we keep doing that, we'll get to the falls, right? That is the theory. Now we put in the practice. Right, so we finally come across the place where the normal trail starts. It comes right down here, and we do have footage of us crossing these logs. So now we should be on the actual trail, which is right down that way, and from here on out it should be easy peasy. We're testing different crossing strategies over here. it is kind of nice where there are river crossings. A lot of times they're flagged on either side, so you can actually tell kind of where you're supposed to cross and what point to what point. Big log. Yeah, get under that thing. Straight vertical. Yes, yes you did. Normally, pink flagging tape means we should cross here, and that's where the trail is. However, the water level is incredibly high right now, and what potentially used to be a bridge is no longer existent. So we're gonna poke down the rest of the way here and see if we can get across there. Come to the point where we can hear the falls in the background. So I think one last river crossing and we'll be good to go. Oh yeah, campfire and everything. And look out in the distance! Waterfalls! Water. And another fire over here. We have arrived at our destination. Time for a swim. So much worse than last time.
I'm getting eaten. I'm getting eaten.
Well, that was fun. Chris and I feel like new men. Yeah, the pool's nice and deep, probably like 9-10 feet. Made for some good jumping, swimming. Overall good time. We now have an hour or so to walk back. And then we'll be done for the day. So, let's make our way back. John's gonna yeet it into the river. Yeah. Ooh, we're gonna bust my balls on this. I love that I can cut the audio out.